let's just start with quick updates. So Gateway.
Good afternoon. Gateway is ready for Vector. That's a short update. The archival node is syncing, and 1 or 2 days I see it's left. It's Lighthouse.
All right, Shatter.
Yeah, we also released an updated version. It is not fully rolled out to all installations yet, since some last-minute bug led us to only issuing the final release yesterday. But yeah, we're also ready in the grand scheme of things.
Hive.
During the week, we have added a Geth to Hive testing scope. Also, I have removed some legacy simulators that we not use anymore, and starting to update general documentation. And regarding Ethereum test, no updates.
Awesome, perfect. Nethermind.
Hi, so prepared for Pectra and waiting for it to happen on Gnosis. In the meantime, last week we got some reports about some Chiado missed proposals from Nethermind validators from time to time. It appeared that we bumped 2 out of 3 nodes to master branch because of some shutter testing. Then we had those mismatches with versions from consensus layer clients. So we started adjusting that. And out of this, sudden, all of our validators landed on master branch. And we had some issue only on master, which is already solved. There is no problem on Chiado anymore. And we switched all Chiado validators back to stable version, and everything looks fine. So yeah, we found the issue, we fixed it on master, but it is not released.
Okay, perfect. Erigon.
Yeah, a very significant update.
Geth.
Yeah, I fixed all the issues I had. I did the release for 1.15.10, which is the one that should go through the fork. I'm monitoring the nodes so far. Everything is fine. I just learned that Lighthouse had an emergency release 4 hours ago. So I assume you guys are aware, but if you're not, time to upgrade. Yep, that's it. Waiting for the fork.
Yeah, that's a good point. I forgot to talk about this with Line. Line, I don't know if there's something you can say publicly here, or if you should talk about it offline.
Yeah, it's not super critical as it relates to efficiency of state cache loads. So we are tuning a bit how the state cache works. Currently, the nodes have to spend extra cycles loading states that they should not. So performance degrades a little bit, but it's not super critical. Like it's good if people update, but it's not gonna break the fork.
As I mentioned in Nethermind, I've asked if we bumped our validators and everything is running on this new version of Lighthouse.
Perfect. Arman, can you also contact our close partners, please? Like as soon as possible.
Absolutely.
Perfect, thank you. Guillaume, just maybe one small request. I don't know if it's possible, but to make the Geth logs accessible, like somewhere, like on a website, for example. Deb might have some, tool you can use for this on this URL. For example, you can get the rest logs from his node, because we haven't had time to integrate it with Loki and Grafana and whatnot. So just having some quick, like, JavaScript stuff basically that fetches the logs and sends them to a client, to a website, that would be quite useful if possible.
Yeah, I mean, I can do some Grafana integration. I just need someone to send me the credentials, and I'll set it up in like 5 minutes.
Okay, yeah, we can also probably do that. I'll try to check with DevOps then. Yeah, I'll talk with Giacomo and you later then. Okay, Wrath?
Yep, upgraded the Lighthouse and Wrath to latest versions and monitoring the nodes. Yeah, and
what?
waiting for the. Pardon?
You said Lighthouse and what?
Wrath, like the latest version. So I rebuilt it once more in case some pending changes were there, and yeah, monitoring currently.
Okay, perfect. Are we running any validators on mainnet now? For Wrath?
Nope.
Okay. Okay, so for Pectra, of course, we have the live stream. I suppose everyone who was supposed to talk about today was contacted by Arman. If there's something unclear or someone was supposed to talk and wasn't contacted or something like that, then please make sure to contact me or Arman as soon as possible. It should be an hour and 30 long call, so yeah, we'll talk about a lot of stuff, but you don't have to be there for everything, of course. I think the schedule is quite clear. We'll try to follow this as precisely as possible. I pasted some useful links here, which include like 4-key fork money stats, blocks clouds, Gnosis scans, explorers, basically everyone knows about. This is just for specifically the countdown for the hot fork time. This is the Nethermind dashboard, and this is the Wrath logs. I'm also still looking for the Grafana Loki logs, but yeah, maybe more on this later. Except for that, does anyone have, I don't know, some last minute things I think you think we should check, or that could happen, or we should talk to the community, or anything in particular for Pectra? I guess not. So hopefully that means that we are quite confident that everything will work perfectly. So yeah, I will not keep you for too long because yeah, the hot fork call is in 50 minutes. So yeah, prepare for it if you need to. And yeah, good luck, let's say, for the fork. Yeah, hopefully, indeed, Camille. All right, if there's no other questions or comments, then thanks for joining. And if there's anything in between, in the meantime, then please ping on Telegram. But yeah, see you soon.
See you in 50 minutes.
See you.
Thank you. See you soon.
Bye.
See you.